Just a second, guys. Okay. People start to join. What's up, guys? How are you? Monday morning. And again, we started the week with running trade running on profit. Everything looks perfect for now. And I wanted to join you so I can share excuse me, so I can share with you what I think of the situation right now and what are the possibilities. Now, we have to have in mind that there is a perfect high right here, which probably the price will took at some point. So basically, at the moment, we have a perfect impulse, correction, new impulse, new correction, new impulse, and this is the correction. So basically, here we have a very good swing area and another bottom right here. So at this moment, I think that there is a high possibility price to reach here, somewhere here, and of course to make some rejection even here, or basically to the trend line. Because at the moment I think that still the situation is bullish, because the price, in my opinion, has to took this high right here. But of course there is also another possibility from here to see a fall somewhere even further to the areas right here, because as you know, everything is based on liquidities, guys, because not because, but everything is based on liquidities. So we have to have in mind which are the areas that are potential for the price. You can see this trend line is actually might be something like this, not very good, but I think probably something like that is possible. So we have to have in mind all the possibilities where the price can react from, which high or low is a good liquidity area that the price will potentially take in some moment. And of course, this is the part of the analysis. We have to have in mind all the possibilities. That's why I'm not quite sure, and the price is not moving very good at the moment. It looks like some head and shoulders pattern. That's why I draw this line on the bottom, just like to see whether the price will react here. But it's very declined, which is not good at all. So that's why I told you move the stop loss on break even, and let's see whether what the price will do, not to risk it. But I think that take profit one is very highly possible, which take profit one is 65 pips. So basically is absolutely perfect for Monday. But we will see what to do, because you can see here what to see, nothing. Guys, hit one like on the live and help me reach more people, because you can see everything is for free. I just show you what I do every single day. Every day is the same. Everything is based on areas, everything is based on liquidity. Olay is the best. Thank you. Now, there is a possibility the price to make another test here on this area, but I don't like to risk it at the moment, so that's why I told you to move the stop loss on break even. We'll see what will happen. Currently the price was more than 40 pips on profit, so you know, when the gold makes 40-50 pips is absolutely, in my opinion, necessary to move the stop loss on break even, because why you have to risk when the price is already at 40-50 pips profit, to risk it to return and to get you out with stop loss and stuff like that. I told you I think on Friday, if you manage to catch 50 pips every day, which I basically do for more than 15 days already, even there are days with 250 pips profit, but if you manage to catch 50 pips, you have to know that this means that in long term, because every time I told you stuff like that, I'm telling you to look long term, not to try to flip $100 or something like that. It's this is not going to work long term. You have to have a long term goals, long term vision, long term idea. So if you manage to catch 50 pips every day, I have to tell you that you can really grow even small account into account that you can live from, and to be not to be necessary to work and do on other things. So basically you just have to follow me, guys, because you can see even now we already are almost at 50 pips. So it's not that hard. You just have to gain experience, to know how to go through emotions, and when the price reach the area, to jump into the trade. This is it. Of course, with proper risk management. Come on, like this live. Yeah, hit the like on the live. Let's hope to reach take profit 1, but it started to go down good, but now it rejected. We'll see what will happen. I don't see it starting the new movement from here. I think it will go further down, but let's hope that it won't hit us, hit our stop loss on break even first. Can I explain the trade? It was a little bit risky entry, but you can see there is a zone that many times the price reacted, so I decided to jump without confirmation. But as I told you, there is still possibility the price to took the high and then to see some correction. That is why we are not going to risk it now, and we will move the stop loss, already move the stop loss on break even. The good thing is that already around 10 people send me profits, so there are many people that don't wait for take profit 1, take profit 2, but collect profits on the way, and not that it's not okay. I'm telling you this many times. You have to find what is suitable for you, for the character that you are. If you're a patient guy, or you rush, or you are very emotional, panic, and you have to understand what type of person you are, and then to find the strategy that fits you and make you feel comfortable. Because at the end of the day, if every trade that you enter makes you feel, I don't know, scared, angry, or I don't know, different types of emotions, this is again not going to work long term. So you have to be patient, you have to be relaxed, and to know exactly why are you in this trade and what you will do if this and that happens. So you don't have to feel all these type of emotions, because this will only bring you pain and bad things long term. So also you have to understand that there are trades every day, even more than one trade a day. So if this trade hits stop loss on break even, nothing. This is not a problem, because there is going to be another option after that. The most important part of growing your account, or even if you make a business, cutting the losses is the most important part. To cut the risk, this is the most important part of growing something, no matter if it's business or if it's growing your account with trading. If you manage to cut the losses, long term you will have success. What we do now is cutting the loss with moving stop loss on break even. Okay, guys, write me in the comments. Did you enter the trade? Do you think that the price will reach take profit 1, or it will get us out of the trade before that? Also, hit the like on the video. I enter, but we are too close to break even. Gold doesn't like us today. We'll see what will happen. Actually, the market is very slow at the moment. Oh my god, it's already 11:30. I can tell you guys, these last days here, time is running super fast. When I come here probably at 9 a.m. and to blink of the eyes and it's already 12 o'clock. I don't know, is this process when you're getting cold or... Okay, two persons from the life are against me. Thinks that it will hit stop loss. But stop loss on break even is not stop loss, so everything is good. Yeah, the goat, absolutely right. The goat is bullish, but I told you, I think that the new impulse will start from somewhere here. But we'll see what will happen. In the end of the day, the stop is on break even. Price is currently at 20 pips. So there is still buffer here to see what will happen. Still think that if it closes under 60 it will be good, but let's see. Yeah, if it reaches 60 already, we will book more than 60 pips, so it will be perfect. For now, the market is low. guys, I can tell you that here I thought to enter buy this morning, but it was early and I was like, okay, let's not rush into this. And 5 minutes after that, not 5 but 30 minutes after that, I checked my phone because I was still at home and it was already 100 pips on profit. And there are moments like that. The important thing is to observe the market correctly, not to catch every movement, because if you try to catch every movement and every candle, you will go crazy, and this will again not going to work long term. Don't forget about that. You have to always look for something for a long term. You have to have long term vision, long term goals, not to be the strong in the room today and tomorrow to be gone. Okay guys, I think that this will be for this live. As I told you, in my opinion, here are the zones, whether from this swing area, whether from this one, or the trend line. We will see how the price will react for a potential buy. If there is no reaction, we can check for the other areas down. If not, if the price just continue to go up, we will see around the high how the price will react, and I will let you know what I think. So thank you. If it hits break even, we will look for second trade. We'll see. I will observe, I will watch the market, and it depends if there is a good reaction and stuff like that. I can't tell right now because I'm more like what is happening at the moment, and I jump into quick decision. You can secure some pressure in case the market continues to go up again. Okay guys, I might enter again later on TikTok. We'll see how the day is running and I will decide. Thank you for watching now, and if you manage to close some profits, enjoy.